Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Quick Beads, which is a graphene infused ceramic sealant. I received the product from diydetailing.eu. However, it's not a paid advert. You are going to hear and see my honest opinion as usual. Well, I washed the car already. There was a little bit of a drizzle, so during the drizzle I washed it, and now hopefully there is no more rain, so I can go ahead with the quick beads. Anywho, what I'm going to do, I spray it on the surface. I wait like half a minute or so, and then from bottom to top I will, let's say, apply or activate the product, and then I'm just going to rinse from top to bottom. Let's roll.
And you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. You make me sing, yeah.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
Alright, boys and girls, that was the DIY detail quick beads. Obviously it started to rain because why not? But anyhow, at least I could take some photos of the raindrops on the car. And what else? Yeah, it has a kind of like a nice scent, but in the background I can smell something sharp. I'm not sure what is it exactly, but in general it's okay. At some places I had to apply the product twice, don't know why, because where it worked for the first time, it worked beautifully, but especially like on the lower panels and on the roof of the car, I had to apply twice to make it work. Other than that, it has a nice water beading, and basically that's that. Just a quick information, on the 14th of June, 2024, there will be a sale on diydetailing.eu, so maybe it is worth to check it out to grab some sort of deals. Anyhow, all in all, I can hands on heart recommend the product. It's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.